Namaste students. I'm Engineer Dr. Aziz Mamkhan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, University Jaipur. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic aerobic and anaerobic respiration. In the previous video, I discussed about the fermentation technology, and the current topic belongs to the subject of fundamentals of microbiology. So, aerobic and anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic and anaerobic respiration? So, respiration in cells can take place aerobically or anaerobically. So, respiration are of two modes in which cells respirate, and the energy release is used in a variety of ways that can be respiration of cellular respiration. The human body needs to react to the increased demand of energy during the exercise and whatever the functions. Any anybody, any work is needs some energy, okay? And the energy requirement is fulfilled by the process of the cellular respiration. So, exercise when a single person or individual perform any kind of exercise, their body lose their energy, but the lost energy need to be fulfilled immediately. Okay, so this energy requirement is fulfilled by the cellular respiration. Means the respiration and some terms which need to be understand that respiration, aerobic respiration, enzymes need for the respiration, glucose, mitochondria which is involved in the respiration process, glycogen which is stored food, anaerobic respiration, lactic acid is also a part of the respiration. So these are the parts of the respiration. Respiration is the process of transferring energy from food molecules in every living cells. There are two main types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. In the aerobic respiration, uh, oxygen is required, and in the anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not utilized. All chemical reactions inside the cells are controlled by enzymes. Now talk about the aerobic respiration. Every every single process. Okay. So in the process, our body use aerobic respiration to produce the energy. So glucose plus oxygen will combine to each other and they will produce water, carbon dioxide, and energy. The glucose will comes from energy and the oxygen from respiration. Water and carbon dioxide are breathed out in the aerobic respiration, and the main product of this equation is food. Food is produced in the form of the energy. So when we respirate, okay, we breathe out, breathe in oxygen, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, so energy is produced in this reaction in the form of the food, and this energy is used to synthesize a chemical called the adenosine triphosphate. So the energy is produced in the form of the ATP. ATP transfer energy from chemical bonds to cells in the body. And now talk about the anaerobic respiration. Unlike aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration is when energy is provided without the need of the oxygen. No oxygen is needed. That is known as the anaerobic respiration. So glucose will be converted into the lactic acid. Okay, and the energy will be released also. Mostly anaerobic respiration is occurred in the microorganism. This happens when the body cannot produce oxygen enough for aerobic respiration to take place. Okay, and anaerobic respiration produces energy much quicker. Okay, the production of energy is much quicker in anaerobic respiration than aerobic respiration. But the difference is that in the anaerobic respiration, the energy is produced only 1 by 20th, only 1 by 20th of the total energy. Lactic acid is also produced in this reaction, and this can build up in muscle causing fatigue and oxygen depth. And this depth then needs to be paid by deep breathing to oxidize the lactic acid. So all of lactic acid is produced in the anaerobic respiration. Now talk about the differences between the anaerobic and aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration need oxygen. It needs oxygen, but anaerobic respiration do not need and it does not require oxygen. Okay. The aerobic respiration occurs in the mitochondria of the cells. Every eukaryotic cell have mitochondria. Okay, and in the mitochondria, the cellular respiration occurs, and this results in the production of ATP in the aerobic respiration. But in the anaerobic respiration, it occurs in the cytoplasm of the cells. It is not found in the mitochondria. It is found in the cytoplasm of the cell. And aerobic respiration produce lots of ATP, per glucose molecule. So means adenosine triphosphate is produced in more amount. But in the case of the anaerobic respiration, it produces less ATP per glucose molecule. It is not producing large amount of ATP. The aerobic respiration is used when heart rate and breathing rate rise, and it is used. Anaerobic respiration is used during the first 1 to 2 minutes of the exercise. Okay. It is used when we take high heavy exercise, and after 1 to 2 minutes of heavy exercise, anaerobic respiration occurs. The aerobic respiration is slow, but anaerobic respiration is very fast. Instead, anaerobic respiration is very fast in production of the energy, but the difference is that aerobic respiration produces more energy, but anaerobic respiration produces less energy. So that is the major difference between the aerobic respiration. So when an athlete runs, it takes longer time to store its energy. Okay. But when the athlete runs, the energy will come from the anaerobic respiration. Okay. The stored energy will be used, but the immediate energy will be covered by the anaerobic respiration. So I hope the students have better understood all these things. The topic, the question which can arise, explain the aerobic respiration and explain the anaerobic respiration. What are the difference between the aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration? So I hope the students will better answer all these questions. So my lecture is over here. Thank you very much.